In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a preview link in Lovable. A preview link is a quick read-only way to show your work to teammates, clients, or stakeholders without giving them editing access. It's ideal for gathering feedback on the latest version of a project while keeping your workspace safe and organized. Start on the Lovable Home dashboard. This is the central hub you'll see when you open Lovable in your browser. From here, you can navigate to anything you're working on. Make sure you're in the right workspace and that you recognize the projects you plan to share. Starting from home helps ensure you're launching from a clean, familiar spot and keeps you oriented before you send anything out. Next, open all projects. This view lists every project you have access to in one place, which is especially helpful if you manage multiple concepts or clients. Browsing this list gives you a clear snapshot of what's active. Take a moment to locate the exact project you're ready to show. Checking the project name and thumbnail here can prevent sharing the wrong thing, especially when you have several similar initiatives underway. Open the project you want to preview. Clicking into it takes you to the project's overview where you'll see its content and context in one place. This is a good moment to confirm you're looking at the latest state you want reviewers to see. If you've just made updates, the preview link you're about to generate will reflect them, helping your audience focus on the most current version. Inside the project, find and select Share Preview. This control is designed for safe external viewing. When you click it, Lovable generates a unique URL for your project's preview. Recipients can open that link in a browser and see what you see without being able to edit or rearrange anything. It's a simple way to invite feedback and keep your review process lightweight. Now, choose Copy Preview Link. Lovable places the URL on your clipboard instantly so you can paste it into your preferred communication channel, whether that's chat, a task comment, or a message to your team. For clarity, consider including a short note about what changed or what you'd like reviewed when you share the link. Before you navigate away, quickly confirm you copied the link for the correct project by checking the project title in the Share panel. And that's all it takes. Start from home, go to All Projects, open your project, select Share Preview, then Copy Preview Link. With these steps, you can deliver focused, up-to-date previews in seconds and streamline your review process.